Hello everybody, welcome to this platform, and to this video we have given a question: a squared equals to b plus 73, whereas b squared equals to a plus 73, where a should not be equals to b, and of course we are supposed to find the value of a and b, and this value of a plus b is equals to what? Let's provide the solution. Then very quickly, where we have given a squared equals to b plus 73 as equation 1, where b squared equals to a plus 73 as equation number 2. This is what we have right here. We can take this one, subtract equation 2 from equation 1. What can we get? At this moment we have here a squared, then minus b squared, which equals to b plus 73, then minus this one, a plus 73. Alright, this is what we have. Then we shall say a squared minus b squared, which equals to b plus 73 minus a minus 73. Then a squared minus b squared will be b minus a, where this and this will be cancelled. Then by grouping like terms, a squared minus b squared, then here plus a minus b will be 0. At this stage we have difference of two squares, where you can separate them, a minus b times a plus b, then plus a minus b, which equals to 0. At this stage, because a minus b is common, we can factorize a minus b to go out to get a plus b, then here plus 1, which equals to 0. At this stage we can equalize this one, a minus b equals to 0, and another side we have a plus b plus 1 equals to 0. Alright, here a will not be equals to b, as the condition says. Whereas here we have a plus b equals to negative 1, and of course here a only will be negative 1 minus b as this value of solution. So that here, what can we do? First of all, if we know that here, remember what we have given is this one, a squared, which equals to b plus 73, and b squared, which is equals to this stage. At this stage we have b. Right here we have a plus 73. What can we do? At this stage we have value of a right here, so that we can try to plug in it. The value of a we have negative 1 minus b squared, which equals to here b plus 73. Alright, so that this one can be 1. Of course we have minus 2 times negative 1 times here 2ab, here we have negative b, right? Then here plus b squared, which is equals to b plus here 73, as we have it right here. Alright, this is what we have. We have 1 here, then minus, because we say it is 2ab, so that here this can be plus, so that here we shall have plus 2b, then plus b squared, which is equal to b plus 73, and here we shall write this one as b squared, as we have it right here. Then you have plus b and you have plus b, so that we shall remain with plus b only, and we have 1 and you have 73, so that we shall remain with 72, but we have negative, which is equal to 0, so that here b squared plus b minus 72 will be 0. We can use product and sum rule, where we have to find two numbers we can multiply to get negative 72. While we add them, we get positive 1. So we have b squared, then plus 9b, then here minus 8b, minus 72 will be 0, and factorize b out to get b plus 9, then minus here a to get b plus 9, which is equals to 0, then b minus 8 times b plus 9 will be 0, but b will be 8 or b will be negative 9 at this stage. And here we can find the value of a, where our a here is equals to negative 1 minus b. So that here a will be negative 1, right? Negative 1 minus 8, where a is equals to negative 9. And of course here we have a, which is equals to negative 1 minus negative 9. A will be negative 1 plus 8 plus 9, sorry. A will be positive 8. So the value of AB, only here we have this one a, which is negative 9, while the b is 8, and of course we have value of AB, which is equals to 8, while the b is equals to negative 9. So we are supposed to find a plus b equals to what? So once we have this one is negative 9 plus 8, so that this is negative 1. And even if we have this one, we have right here, we have 8, then plus minus 9, this is equals to negative 1. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share and subscribe. Bye bye.